Hello my friends! Today we meet for the second part of the coloring of the blue bee in Flourish by Johanna Basford. In the first part, we did the body and the fur effect, and now, in the second part, we will make the legs and the wings. I'll color them with Faber-Castell Polychromos pencils. Remember to always work with a sharp pencil. For the legs, I drew the small segments that Johanna Basford drew, which are a little bit like leaves. And I color them by leaving a small uncolored segment on top for the reflection of light. The segment which is not colored, I just color it in black, but with a very light pressure. Then I take the white pencil and I just add it on the area of the reflection. When I finished one leg, I clean the tip of my white pencil on another sheet. Then I intensify the darker black so that the reflection is well seen. On the front legs, I want to draw small hairs in light cobalt turquoise. So I just draw them here very slightly on segment number 2 and segment number 3. Then I add tiny dots at the base of the hairs with cobalt blue, as well as mark the end with tiny dots. I add small white hairs to connect all these areas. And then I'm going to make touch-up with cobalt turquoise. Again, like cobalt blue, I use it only at the base and at the end. And finally, to properly attach these hairs to the paw, I just add some white lines, the finest possible with my white Posca. Then I correct those who go too far with my cobalt turquoise. And we've done with the front legs. I draw the top of the wings with my black pencil and the rest of the wing outline with the light blue pencil, so I can then easily choose to erase it with white Posca if I want. For the hind legs, I do the same as for the upper legs. The only thing is I'm not going to draw all the little leaves here that Johanna Basford drew, to have more the shape of a paw. For the wings, I no longer need the turquoise colors. And I will replace Delft Blue with dark indigo. So here is the color palette we need for the wings. For the wings, I draw segments by taking up certain patterns of the original drawing. And I add others. I just add small lines between the segments in certain places. First, I darken the base. I make small lines along the body to keep the small hairs that pass over the wing. Then I extend the lines a little bit inside the body. Certain lines, the main ones, so that the wing fits into the fur. And then I fade the dark lines with lighter color. Now I illuminate it all with white on the white area and going up slightly on the blue area. Now, with black, I go back at the base of the segments, so that they will be very clear again. I refine the shadow areas with cobalt blue, and I go back slightly to the black to reduce it. Now, with my white Posca, I add lines to make the reflection of light, and this line should pass over my black segments from time to time, in any case those which are triangular, so as to give the effect of reflection. Sorry, I need to try a few times because my 2 postcards are empty.
There is something in the air, like I have to go nowhere. If someone ever asks me, I can never say where I would be. And people say that someday I will lose my mind. They're always wondering why is a waste of time. I am trying to figure why in my heart I still feel.
Here we are! All you have to do now is do the same for the other wing. I'm showing you this in fast motion.
Why it takes so long? 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 Peace of mind is ruled by fear. We almost found the elixir, and people say that someday you will lose your mind. They're always wondering why is a waste of time. You don't have to figure why. In your heart you still feel fire to forget things that now are gone. You don't know, but it won't take so long. 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 Feel the light, oh it shines so bright. Let it shine. Feel the light, oh it shines so bright. Let it shine.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
And here is our bee, it's done! When you've done the background all around, you can add white Posca here on the bottom edge of each wing. It will make it look even brighter. For the remaining flower, I'll just use Staedtler pigment liner, size 0.1, and I'll draw the outline of the flower. And then I'm going to color it in black with reflection, exactly like I did for the legs. Here we are, we have finished our little blue bee. I can't wait to see the creations that you will make following this tutorial, whether in Flourish by Johanna Basford or in your other coloring books. Tag me on your Instagram post or send me your coloring by private message on Facebook. I will be happy to watch them. If you liked this video, feel free to put a little blue thumb up and subscribe. For my part, I'll continue to color this page, exactly like I did on that one. And I have a surprise to announce to you. When I'll reach 2,000 subscribers, I will make a giveaway, which will allow to win this page, the one that I will have colored especially for you, to shoot this bee tutorial. I will finish it entirely with the sunflower's petals, and I'll pick a winner randomly, who will win the finished page, which will be signed and which I will send to the winner by post. I will announce the contest very soon, but everyone who will comment below this video will have an additional chance to win the picture colored by me. It's my little surprise to thank all those who follow me faithfully and who watch my videos till the end. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you had good time and see you soon in other tutorials. Happy colorings!
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here